to make a very important decision, as all of you will this year, as to who we elect to be the leader of our great nation, and to have somebody elevate him or herself to help lead our global economy and our world and our people. And I've chosen Hillary Clinton. Now, to give you a personal perspective, my parents were part of that first wave of Asian Americans who came to this country in the 1950s after a lot of the regulations and the discriminatory laws were starting to be removed. And my parents, like so many of those in this room, gave up absolutely everything. They gave up their family, they gave up their comforts, they left their culture behind, they left a lot of their resources. And when my parents came to this country, my dad with 3 shirts, 2 pairs of pants, trying to learn his 5th language, English, to work multiple jobs to get his PhD in chemical engineering. He did so because he understood that America provided extraordinary opportunities to those who worked hard, who played fair, and who would do the right thing.